Machine has the 4th axis table on it, which is a HAAS HRT210H with a tailstock. We're running the X-axis right now. Your travels are 30 inches in X, 16 in Y, and 20 in Z. You have a 12,000 RPM spindle, Cat 40. He's moving the X and Y axes right now. That's your B. Again, the machine is equipped with the 4th axis drive and wiring and the table. Machine has rigid tapping, quick code, advanced tool management, high-speed machining, and it's enabled DNC. That's your Z-axis travel. Machine also has programmable coolant as well as regular coolant. We are simulating a tool change. You have a 24 tool automatic tool changer, side mount. Machine also has a chip auger and 2,000 RPM. It goes up to 12. $5,000 RPM. 9,000. Okay, so you've seen all the axes move, you've seen a tool change, you saw the rotary table also rotate. Hey, thank you for watching our video.